Okay. I pulled this brush out and it yanked another one out and flung it across the room. Hey cutie, Lady Aether here, and in today's video we're going to open an Artsnacks box. I cannot wait to see what's in this one's box. Just as a reminder, Artsnacks does not generally have a prompt, and they have a smaller number of supplies because I don't get the Artsnacks Plus box. But there will be a little snack in here and some mystery supplies. If you want to see what's in the box and what I end up making, make sure to stick around. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this with our trusty cat knife. Just as a reminder, if you weren't already aware, I stream on Twitch 3 times a week. I actually film these videos on Twitch. Every Sunday I film a video and then I edit it up and post it to YouTube. So if you want to be part of the process, see how this stuff goes live, take place in the chat, make sure to check out my links down in the description. Alright, we're gonna get into this. Ooh, another warhead. Oh gosh, okay. Extreme sour hard candy. Black cherry. I like black cherry though, so maybe. Alright. Artsnacks menu. And our little paper wrapped goodies. Alright, this is an odd shape. They're usually a lot flatter than this, so I wonder if there's a lot in here today. Oh, I don't want to look at the answers or joke either. Don't look at that. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. So let's start with the eraser. We have a Cretacolor kneaded eraser. This is the same brand as I think some pencils we got recently. What? Was that the oil pastels? No. I opened something recently that was this brand. Cretacolor. I could not for the life of me. Oh! It was those watercolor graphite pencils. These ones. Where we drew our little gator. Anyway, we also got some more of these Ecoline pens. These are duo tip. They say... Okay, these ones don't seem to claim that they're watercolor, but that's what I've seen before. They're by Royal Talons. These are a bit thicker than ones I've gotten in the past. Then we've got a Winsor Newton fine liner. It doesn't say it. Sepia colored. Oh, and these markers are in turquoise blue and reddish brown. Then we have a pretty mechanical pencil. Looks like just a normal Tombow mono mechanical pencil, but in a nice pretty color. It's a 0.5. Oh, okay. The eraser is one of those ones that you turn it. There's a lead lock. Interesting. Okay. Nice. Just a pretty color. And oh, our sticker's so cute this month. It's this little turquoise, spacey, like Saturn kind of designs. Cute. Alright, I'm going to set the paper aside and then we'll read our menu. So I actually want to read the joke first and then we'll get into the contents of the box. Okay, our October joke is, what did the frog say when he saw a beautiful painting? I'm thinking of like the sound effects for frogs, like ribbit and croak and stuff like that, but I'm not thinking of any, I can't figure out any puns. Okay, let's see the answer. It's absolutely riveting. It's riveting. Okay, let's look at what our items are. First we have our Royal Talons Eco Line Duo Tip pens. Oh, apparently these are new. Slim bullet nib for fine lines and broad chisel tip for thick lines and shading large areas. It's filled with concentrated transparent watercolor paint that can be combined with water for beautiful effects and smooth color transitions. Neat. Then we have the Winsor Newton Fine Liner. Nope. This. Fluidly capture your ideas with the Winsor Newton Fine Liner, containing water resistant, not completely waterproof. Okay. And non-fading pigment ink. This pen fits every style of sketching. Its smoothly tapered nib is not only elegant, but also has consistent and reliable ink flow. Is there something special? It's maybe a little bit more rounded. Maybe. And then we have the mechanical pencil. This is a $7.20 pencil. And then the kneadable eraser. Alrighty. And again, there's no prompts, but that's okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch everything. One of them is just a pencil, but I'll write with it anyway and see how it is. And I'll not speed through it today, I guess, because there are so few items. But here's our pencil. Monograph. Cool. Decent width of graphite. Here's our fine liner. Winsor Newton. I like the sepia color. I think this is the only one like this I have. When you want a softer liner, a good brown could go a long way. And then we'll look at the Duo Tip Eco Line pens in reddish brown and turquoise blue. And we'll look at both tips. Okay. It's a nice deep red. It's almost like a brick red. They look nice next to each other. Yeah, I think despite only having two colors, we have some okay contrast. We don't have much of a value difference. I was hoping this was a bit lighter, but they're both pretty saturated, so we'll have to play with some negative space, I think. Anyway, what the heck should I draw with these? And it says these aren't quite, this isn't quite waterproof. Okay. I pulled this brush out and it yanked another one out and flung it across the room. Now, this is not watercolor paper, but I'm curious, so we'll try it anyway. Since these claim to be watercolor markers. Okay, so mixed they make kind of a maroon color. We might switch to watercolor paper so that we can have some varying values in whatever. How do you feel about spiders? That's the theme of today, so be warned. I'm just trying to think of what to draw it on. A cupcake. I could probably accomplish that with these colors if the frosting is turquoise. See, I'm limited to what came in the box, so I have turquoise blue, reddish brown, and a sepia fine liner, sepia, and then a mechanical pencil and kneaded eraser. But I think a cupcake might work. So, let's say our cupcake is like here, and I'll, give it some more detail later, but this is our cupcake. Which is about as tall as the spider. But she actually would be her thorax would be here. Okay, I think I want to go in with the liner and solidify the spider so that way we can erase all this pencil and better position the cupcake. I'm gonna say confetti cake. I don't usually do line art, but I think this might call for it because we just have pink and blue. All in all, this was not a bad Artsnacks box. It didn't have a lot in it, but it had enough. We ended up making this kind of spooky cute situation with a spider on a cupcake. This is, as I mentioned earlier, a golden orb weaver, which we also call a banana spider here. They're pretty big. This one was, you know, like this big, legs included, this big. I think they're cool. They're cool. But if you like this video and you want to see me make more stuff, make sure to like and subscribe. There's going to be a playlist at the end of this video for other Artsnacks boxes. Also, my socials will be linked down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and don't forget to stay charming. Goodbye.